Hello, mathematicians! Today our learning target is I can use a number line. Last week in math, we looked at number lines, we downloaded a number line app, we wrote numbers on a number line, but today we're going to use a number line to solve some addition problems. Take a look at this video to see how we can use a number line to do addition.
2 plus 3. The frog starts at 2 and then moves 3 places to the right. The frog lands on 5. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. 3 plus 5. The frog starts at 3 and then moves 5 places to the right. The frog lands on 8. So 3 plus 5 equals 8.
In your distance learning box, there's a page that looks like this. It's called Let's Add. And on this page, we're given a number line to help us solve some addition problems. Here's the strategy that I'm going to use to solve it, but you might find a different way to use addition, to use a number line for addition. I'm going to use the numbers in my addition problem, or my add-ins, to figure out where to start on the number line and to figure out how much further to jump. So for the addition problem 3 plus 1, I'm going to start at the 3, and then I'm going to frog jump 1 down the number line. So I've circled my 3, and I drew 1 jump under the 1. Now I can do the same thing up here on my number line. Circle the 3, and do 1 frog jump forward. What do I land on? I land on the number 4. I'll write my answer in pencil. I'll show you again with another color. Here I have 1 plus 4. I'm going to start at the number 1, and I'm going to frog jump 4 on the number line. Start at the 1 and jump 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where did I land? I landed at the number 5. I'm going to change my color and do another one. We're going to try this one over here. I'll start at the number 1 and I'll jump ahead 2 more. Here's my number 1 on the number line, and I'll jump ahead 1, 2. Where did I land? At the number 3. So you can use the strategy from the video to use your number line to add. You can use the strategy that I just showed you to use the number line to add. Or maybe in that creative and flexible math brain, you can find another way to use your number line to add these numbers together. Our learning target today is I can use a number line. When you are finished with your paperwork, you can head to Seesaw and you'll take a picture of this work to send to me. You'll answer your word problem of the day and do a quick skills review. Now, math this week has a second part to it because we've been in school for almost a month, and so it is time for something called the BOYA. The BOYA is the beginning of year assessment for math. That's a fancy word for a little math test. And today you are going to start your beginning of the year assessment, or your BOYA, by clicking on the Seesaw activity next door. Now don't do that yet. Go ahead and do your math work and complete your first Seesaw activity. And then when you're all done, you can come on back and do part 2 of math over here, the beginning of the year assessment. All right, mathematicians, off you go. Good luck using your number line.